Genuine RKX gas cap seal, gasket for Volkswagen Audi applications. This is a common failure point that can case check engine lights for evap leaks and other faults. Don't settle for aftermarket caps that cause more problems than they solve. Resealing your cap allows you to retain your high-quality OEM cap. Designed and tested to work with a wide range of gas caps manufactured by VW Audi. Compatible with most caps used between 1998 to 2015. See photos, part number interchange, 3C82015550E, 3C8201550E, 3C8201550E, 1J021553A, 1J02015553A, 1J02015553AC, 1J02015553, AC, 1J02011553AC, 1J02015553E, 1J02015553E, 8K02015550A, 8K02015550F, 1K02015557A and more. Top reviews from the United States. Fixed check engine light. Replacing this O-ring fixed my VW Touareg emissions slow leak error 16840. I simply removed the old one from the gas cap, which was hard and heavily cracked. I put a little water-based lube on the new one and popped it in. I put the cap back on, cleared the code with my code reader, and it hasn't come back. For under $10, it's a third of the price of a new cap, and it worked.